Fuck you, boss. I told you this shit will happen.
Don't blame your failure on me. You create this mess, now you have to solve it.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Make it fast, I have other sites to visit too. Well, so tell me what's the progress right now?
Sir, building work is nearing completion and road work is pending.
Why?
Well, they are complaining about their pending salary.
So throw some bundles on their face, and start the work. I fell asleep in the middle of work. I hope no one found me sleeping.
You are late, Wojak.
I'm sorry, sir.
Don't you want to explain why you are late?
Boss, I haven't got my salary this month.
Did you finish your work?
Well, it's almost complete.
So finish it first, then you will have your salary.
But sir...
Put that butt in your butt and start your wage slave, Wojak.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Wojak, where is your fucking helmet? Don't you have a basic safety knowledge? It might cost your life.
Helmet? Nah, I am not afraid of my death. I am always ready to die.
That's why you should always use safety gears in construction site. Now get your ass up.
Sorry, boss. I will wear helmet from now on.
Hey you idiot, why is this reflector not installed on the road yet?
Well sir, we haven't got the driller to do the job yet.
Why?
Well sir, they haven't got their payment yet.
Don't teach your dad how to fuck. Don't tell me whom to pay.
Huh?
But sir...
Put that butt in your butt and use the breaker, you dumb fuck.
The fuck?
But sir...
Just do as I say.
Fuck you, boss. I told you this shit will happen.
I heard that. What the hell have you done here?
Boss, I told you, this will not work.
Don't blame your failure on me. You create this mess, now you have to solve it.
NANI?
But boss...
Do it, otherwise, I will cut this month's salary.